I got something in the mail. This product has been out there for almost 2 years, I believe, and I've only just got it today. I have been waiting to purchase this forever, and the reason why I didn't is because of my job and my situation. I couldn't afford it, and I had to do lots more work to be able to afford it, so here we are. Let's unbox this. Now, I know there's loads of unboxing videos out there that you can go and watch, but my one's different, and I'll tell you why. Do you really want to miss this little face light up because of one little camera? We are in. Here we go. All right, cool. We're in. Right. This is actually in my hands right now. I saw someone's video where they said about putting all this, having a QR code on the box, scanning the QR code, and all of that is on there. I am all for going paperless. Okay. Oh my days. Now this is awesome, this is leather. I didn't realise they do leather ones for this. I know that the A7 IV do leather ones. I don't ever use them, that's the thing. Aha, this is what we have missed on the other ones. This is a charger, which is really good because I've got a little charger, but it's just nice to have a second one. I can charge more. It's an official Sony one, it's bulky as anything. There's going to be a battery. This is what we came for. So currently in my setup, I've been using the A7 III for about 2.5 years. I then upgraded about nearly a year ago to the A7Siii, which is what I'm filming on currently right now. And when I look at all of my work as what I do for my business, most of it's video. 80% of the time I'm shooting video. And that's where I was like, the A7, this isn't, I'm not even putting this on, I love cameras. I'm shaking. Yeah, this is just gonna be up my game for video. So, I am pumped to get this out of here. Oh my God. All right, okay, I see what it is now. I feel it. When people say, oh, it feels nice in the hand. The grip on that compared to the old A7 III, what? It looks so good. Everyone does the swivel screen. My first camera had a swivel screen. It was a Lumix, maybe that's why. It's just nice to have that extra function, you know? There's no jingling noises, these are stiff. Now imagine this is the same sort of body. In fact, I think it is the same sort of body as the A7 IV and maybe even the A1. Only 12 megapixels. I'm super pumped to take some pictures with this. This is absolutely gorgeous. And you can lock it. Oh, that's clever. And then you don't knock it. See, exposure dials is something that's always been on the cameras, and so many people I talk to or watch videos on YouTube, they're like, don't use it. I use mine all the time. I'm always going between different exposures for photo or video. This exposed dial is nice. It just looks so good that we've got 3 dials on top. So for card choice, I don't know what I'm going to be using, but I think what I'm going to be using to start with is definitely SD card V60s. The V90s allow you to get the all-eye video, which apparently is really good for editing on computers and Macs and whatnot. That is so nice. So card slot 1. Do we go in this way, facing me? Or is it still in reverse? Still in reverse. Oh, that sounds nice. Oh, that feels so nice. That is a beast of a camera. Okay, that is my unboxing done for the A7S III. I will be doing various videos comparing this to the A7 III, also to the A7Siii, deciding which one I keep out, the A7Siii, the A7 III, and maybe even upgrading to the A7 IV. If you like this video, give it a like. These are actual my reactions. Subscribe to the channel for more videos like this and to keep up to date. I will be posting more videos like this in 2022 going onwards. So yeah, I'll see you in the next one. All right.